Have you ever opened your phone and noticed an app you don't remember installing? Because honestly, that happens to more people than you think. And sometimes those apps are completely harmless. But other times, they can collect data, show excessive abstract activity, or use your phone's resources without you realizing it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find suspicious apps on your phone and how to remove the ones you don't actually need. First, don't panic because many phones come with pre-installed apps from manufacturers, carriers, or system updates. And honestly, seeing a new app doesn't automatically mean you've been hacked, but it's still worth checking. Now, the first thing you should do, open your app list and look for apps you don't recognize. Ask yourself, do I remember installing this? Have I ever used it? Does it have a strange name or icon? Because honestly, many people discover apps they've completely forgotten about. Now, the next step, check app permissions on both Android and iPhone. You can see which apps have access to location, camera, microphone, contacts, photo, sand, notifications. And honestly, if a simple flashlight app wants access to your microphone and contacts, that's probably worth investigating. Now, another very important thing, look at battery usage because suspicious apps often run in the background. Go to your battery settings and see which apps are consuming unusual amounts of power, especially apps you rarely use. Now let's talk about storage because some apps quietly download cache files, media, advertisements, and background data over time. If an unfamiliar app is using a huge amount of storage, that can be a warning sign. Now, another thing, people often miss device administrator access on Android. Some apps request advanced permissions that make them harder to remove, so check your security settings and review which apps have elevated access. Now for iPhone users, review VPN profiles, device management profiles, and installed configurations, because honestly, those areas are often overlooked. Now, let's talk about app sources, because one of the safest habits is downloading apps only from Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or trusted official developers. Many problems start when people install apps from unknown websites. Now, if you find an app you don't trust, removing it is usually simple. Press and hold the app, select delete app or uninstall, and follow the prompts, then restart your device. Now another smart step, change important passwords if you think an app had access to sensitive information, especially for email accounts, banking apps, social media, and cloud storage. Now something very important, avoid videos that claim, delete this app immediately or your phone is hacked. Because honestly, many of those videos are exaggerated clickbait. The goal isn't to panic, the goal is to regularly review what's installed on your device. Now, let's be honest for a second. Most suspicious apps stay on phones for months simply because people never check them. And honestly, spending 5 minutes reviewing your installed apps can improve privacy, security, battery life, and performance. So to wrap this up, if you think an unknown app was installed on your phone, check your app list, review permissions, look at battery and storage usage. Remove anything you don't trust, and only install apps from official sources. Because honestly, keeping your phone secure is often about paying attention to the small things before they become big problems.